John and Karen have asked for some pretty specific features in their house.
We're looking for a ranch-style home. We like rustic modern.
Mid-century feels good to them.
All one level.
Hopefully 3 to 4 bedrooms.
Got to have a walk-in pantry.
And a mudroom.
Big island, big kitchen.
They like wood. They like a live edge something somewhere.
And they gotta have a sliding barn door.
Somewhere between 300 and 325,000, somewhere in
In
that neighborhood.
total.
All right, so this is the Pryor house.
Oh, nice.
Yeah?
I like that, yes, nice.
It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, a little
Oh, wow.
over 2,700 square feet.
Oh, it's a big house.
It's listed for $175,000. Come on in.
All right.
I am so anxious to see.
Wow.
What do you think?
Okay, is this the living room?
We're
It's
not sure.
The dining was obviously right there under the low chandelier.
Is that a window or used to be a door? What is that?
Yeah,
I think that used to be a carport on the other side.
Really?
And it was a window into the carport.
Those bars there, I would really like to get rid of that and maybe take this whole thing out to kind of open it up a little bit.
And we have all the same thoughts that you've had so far. Let's talk about the kitchen.
Okay,
let's
come
talk
this
about
way.
that, yeah.
Okay, this is the kitchen.
It is?
I don't see kitchen right now, but
There's a tiny little kitchen back there behind that
Right.
brick wall.
Okay, y'all need a bigger kitchen.
absolutely.
Right, exactly. I
So
can
let
see,
me
yeah.
walk you through what the floor plan would be. That wood wall would be the back of your kitchen.
Okay.
And your oven and hood vent would be kind of right where that light switch is. And where the current kitchen is now, that would become a door into a big walk-in pantry. And then you would have an island right here running this direction with a sink built into it.
Oh,
The center
okay.
part is
Okay.
your dining area.
Okay.
And then this would be a small little sitting area with like a little love seat and maybe an armchair or two here around the fireplace.
It's very different.
That's what we want, though, different from this.
Yeah.
All of this, to pull this off, would be about $75,000. That's a
Okay.
big number, but we're talking about new flooring everywhere.
So far, we've seen one, and it has great possibilities. I am very curious to see what the next house will bring.
All right, let's talk about the Cucks house.
Oh, wow.
wow, I
look
love
at
this house. This
that.
is
Look at that.
fantastic.
Look at the coloring in the brick. Wow.
You like this brick?
I
Love it.
like it
Yeah.
a lot.
The house is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2,800 square feet,
Oh, wow.
and it's listed for $170,000. Come on in.
Oh, wow. This is so nice.
Nice floors.
Yeah.
Are they original to the house, maybe?
Yeah, this kitchen is not original.
Oh, wow. What the heck is that?
Exactly.
That is so weird.
There are a lot of weird things about this kitchen. And so if we stole that laundry room, that wall is gone, that wall is gone. So across the front, your sink under the front window, and we're replacing the old aluminum window with a new one.
Okay.
Your range, cooktop, back here on that back wall, then this door to the outside, your fridge built in to the left of it. This wall gets opened up above the cabinets here. We'd have quartz countertops, and I think it'd be fun to use a navy color on your kitchen cabinet. We could have a huge island that runs this new direction in the kitchen, build a new pantry back here where there's this sort of empty void, and we could give you a sliding barn door over that entry into the pantry.
That sounds fantastic.
It's listed for $170,000.
Okay.
This renovation will be $120,000, so you'd be all in at $290,000.
Okay.
90.
It's a big decision.
Right.
Sounds good. You're making it so hard for us. They're both gonna have mud rooms. They both are gonna have an open concept. Either one, I think, you choose will be great.
Y'all are having so much fun in Laurel, you should probably make it permanent. Pick out a house.
You know what? We might do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thinking about
Very
it.
strong possibility.
Have you closed on a house?
Yes.
Did we go with the Cucks house or the Pryor house?
We decided to go with the Cook's house.
Cucks house. This is a big demo.
It's gonna be a real juicy one.
Chris, watch out. Carrying a big slab of butcher block here. So we got a linoleum tile and then plywood and a race car.
Woo!
I think we've got two levels of tile, maybe 3.
Maybe that'll be our worst surprise.
But you know what the best surprise was? Number 60.
There's your silver lining.
Things are getting pretty exciting around here. We have walls, the kitchen window is coming out and a new one is going in, and kitchen cabinets have arrived. Okay, at the house today, we're getting all the details in. Cabinets are being installed in the mudroom / laundry room, and now it's time for trim.
How is the trim out
Hey.
coming?
The living room is all fresh, okay, and that's awesome. Fresh does not make personality, though.
I mean, we lost so much texture and personality when we had to lose the brick in here. And this brings the good part of that back. It
Yeah.
brings back texture.
Wainscoting's my favorite thing. I love it. The landscaping is done out front. The trim is painted outside. The exterior looks like we're done.
We are on the home stretch. We are doing the final touches. We're installing the pot filler.
I mean, everything else is done. This is literally it. The last thing is the pot filler and the sink faucet.
And then furniture.
Yes.
Walking in the front door, it's completely unrecognizable. Like, you can't really find your bearings compared to the house we showed them before.
Man, this looks good.
Ben's table is amazing. This table is such a showstopper.
This is the ultimate farm to table.
I think this house is gonna feel distinctly different from anything they've lived in Chicago. Okay, I feel like things are a little naked over here, so we're gonna set up a cake station.
Yeah.
I hope it's really conducive to this slower, quieter, southern way of life. This house is so gracious and accommodating. They can have everyone in their family come down to South Mississippi to visit them, and this house will be so comfortable when they come.
Look at that.
Sir.
The brick looks so fresh and new because we painted the trim around the windows.
Right.
We added this natural wood siding to the front porch and a new wood post and the new light fixture and landscaping. All just made it feel a little more modern.
That's our home.
That's
I
it.
hope
Well, I know
feels
if it
like
looked like this outside, I can't wait to see the inside. I
Me
bet it
too.
is.
It is maybe the biggest transformation we've ever had on an interior.
You won't
Really?
recognize where you are.
Really.
Let's go see it.
You want to go see? Come on.
I am ready. Oh,
Yeah,
man.
y'all go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this. Look at the beams. Oh my goodness. Look, Karen, look at this.
I know.
Ain't this wow? Oh
Do
my
you recognize
goodness.
it?
No. Look at this.
So much has changed. I mean,
It
starting
looks
with,
so different.
it feels like we switched the direction the house moved.
Yeah, I know. I remember because things was like this. Now
Uh-huh.
it's like this.
Absolutely.
Karen.
The table.
Oh, Ben. Ben. You did it, man. Woo!
Gorgeous.
This is off the chain right here. Look at this. We had actually talked about a live edge table.
It's something I've always wanted to do, to actually cut down a tree and follow the whole process, to us do the whole thing.
Now that we have it, it's just like winning the lotto.
Thank
this
you
is so nice.
so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you, man. Thank you. This is beautiful. It's just unbelievable.
Knowing it was made for our home, that's like icing on the cake.
Yeah, one of a kind. Put a lot of food on this bad boy.
Well, let's talk about where food's gonna get cooked. I want you to see all this up close. Come
Yeah,
see.
let's get a closer look at the kitchen.
Look at this kitchen. This is something else over here.
Look at
Goodness.
this. Janelle
Look
Ward.
at this. Look at this.
My stove.
Oh, wow.
I do not recognize it. I'm still trying to figure out what is what.
It's
It's our
like,
house.
yeah, it's
Wow.
unbelievable.
It's unreal.
Is the kitchen big enough?
It's
Is it?
big enough.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of times we work with homeowners who leave it up to us. This is a little bit easier when your client tells you, I want exactly, precisely this, and this.
Pot filler.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You always wanted one?
I did.
Now you got it. And this herringbone on this backsplash.
Okay, thank you for noticing the pattern.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
There's a little gold veining in the countertop.
See that?
This is exactly what we wanted.
Good.
Yeah.
That's it.
I actually built a barn door specifically because you asked for it. Okay?
You built that
I
too?
built that. I'm really, really proud of it. This is more white oak. Look how smooth this thing.
Oh, wow. Look Look at that channel work.
This was another,
Wow.
You asked for it.
you asked for it, you got
We
it.
got it.
Thank you, sir.
I mean, you asked for a super modern, sleek fireplace.
Let's go look at it.
Oh my
Channel work. Wow.
goodness.
Look at
Look
that.
at that.
Channel
Just-
work. Look at her
Yeah.
fireplace. Look at this opening.
Yeah.
Looks so much bigger. I can't believe this is the same house.
I remember the mirrors over there.
There was
the
a brick.
wall.
There was an arch.
Hasta la vista, baby. It's out of here. It looks so different.
It is very different. So this is the more streamlined look. It's something completely different than anything we've
Yeah.
ever done before. But most of all, we opened things up, we brightened it up.
It is.
Those were your big asks here.
The flow is just, everything just ties in and it just goes together. Gorgeous. Can't believe this. This is crazy, man.
We heard them and we gave them everything they asked for, and I think they're gonna be really happy here.
All right, Miss Karen, you had one more request.
Yep.
My mudroom.
Your
mud
mudroom.
room. Let's go see it.
My goodness. Channel
wow,
work.
look at this
Look, we were
mudroom.
coming through the door.
Walk back here. Jenna, take off them dirty shoes.
This is it.
Hey,
Don't be tracking it through the house.
You don't have an excuse now.
I don't.
Nope. All the shag carpet's gone.
Oh,
I
this
know
is
you
nice.
hate that.
I like this floor too. Is this slate?
That is a porcelain tile, but it does look like a natural stone. So this will work. This is a good, proper mud room.
This is
Yeah.
beautiful.
I've got one more little surprise. Y'all have a seat at this
Okay.
gorgeous table.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh, boy.
Chocolate cake is special to you, isn't it?
Well, what happened the first day I met my husband, walking, he was saying that his birthday was coming up. And I told him, and we were still in contact, I would make him a homemade chocolate cake for his birthday.
This is not your famous homemade cake. This is just a bakery cake. We made this cake stand for you. And Mallory and I made this like pearlized base to make a cake stand.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
you.
And Ben turned the pedestal in the wood shop.
This is absolutely crazy. How do you do something like that?
It's just a little housewarming happy.
Well,
Thank you. Thank you, Erin, so
Yes.
much.